Crash Course on Austria. Travel Tips and Itineraries. Welcome to Austria, a country known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. As you plan your journey, let's explore some practical travel tips, exciting stories, and a suggested itinerary to make the most of your Austrian adventure. Travel Tips and Stories. 1. The magic of Christmas markets. Austria's Christmas markets are a delight. Imagine sipping warm Glühwein, mulled wine, as snowflakes gently fall around you. The Vienna Christmas Market at Rathausplatz is a must-visit. 2. Hiking in the Alps. Hiking trails across the Austrian Alps offer breathtaking views and unforgettable experiences. Consider exploring the Tyrolean Alps or the Hohe Tauern National Park. 3. Classical music in Vienna. Vienna is a paradise for music lovers. Attend a performance at the Vienna State Opera or listen to the Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra in the historic Musikverein. 4. Coffeehouse culture. Embrace the Austrian coffeehouse culture and savor delicious pastries, such as Schokotorte and Apfelstrudel, in one of Vienna's traditional coffeehouses. 5. The legend of Salzburg's Glockenspiel. In Salzburg's Old Town, watch the Glockenspiel come to life as it tells the story of the city's history and folklore. 6. A ride on the Geländeesprungschanze. Experience the thrill of the Geländeesprungschanze, an Olympic ski jump in Innsbruck. Even if you don't ski, the view from the top is worth it. Suggested itinerary. Day 1 to 3, Vienna. Explore the historic city center, including St. Stephen's Cathedral and Hofburg Palace. Visit the Belvedere Palace and its impressive art collection. Attend a classical music concert at one of Vienna's renowned venues. Day 4 to 6, Salzburg. Wander through the charming streets of Salzburg's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Tour the Hohensalzburg Fortress, offering panoramic views of the city. Take a day trip to the enchanting village of Hallstatt. Day 7 to 9, Innsbruck. Enjoy the alpine beauty surrounding Innsbruck. Visit the Swarovski Crystal Worlds for a sparkling experience. Try your hand at winter sports or hiking in the nearby mountains. Day 10 to 12, Graz. Discover the artsy and cultural scene of Graz. Explore the Eggenberg Palace and its beautiful gardens. Indulge in local culinary delights at the Lendplatz market. Summarizing this writing, Austria beckons travelers with its charm, history, and natural wonders. From exploring imperial palaces in Vienna to wandering through picturesque alpine villages, each moment promises excitement and joy. Now, let's celebrate Austria's allure with a poem. In Austria's heart, a world to find. With alpine peaks and history entwined. From Vienna's grandeur to Salzburg's tales. Enchantment in every path it trails. Amidst the Alps, a hiker's dream. Where nature's majesty reigns supreme. Vienna's music fills the air. Classical notes, a symphony rare. Coffee houses, a cozy nook. Savoring flavors from a book. In Salzburg's streets, a glockenspiel sings. The past alive, each bell that rings. Innsbruck's snow-capped peaks arise. A winter wonder, a grand surprise. Graz, an artist's haven to explore. Austria's treasures, forevermore. As you venture on your Austrian quest, be inspired by each story, each crest. Embrace the beauty that's here in store. Austria's magic, forevermore. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.